करंट ज्ञान टी के पोस्ट पॉडकास्ट में आपका स्वागत है। हम जयपुर के बारे में आपको जयपुर के मोनुमेंट के बारे में बता रहे थे। उसका द्वितीय पार्ट सेकंड पार्ट प्रस्तुत है। जयगढ़ फोर्ट, द वेस्टर्न skylines in dominated by the extensive Paracotta's walls, watch tower and the gateways of Jaigarh Fort. It is one of the few military struggle of the medieval Indian previous, almost containing the palace, garden, open the covered resources and gunnery and armors, as well as Lance Tower and the grand giant mountain cannon and Jai Bans, one of the biggest in the world. मानसागर लेक, जल महल. Jal Mahal was built by Savai Pratap Singh in 1779 AD. In the Middle East, the man of Sagar, Mansagar Lake is the pleasure spot. The lake was formed by construction of a dam between two hills by Savai Mansingh. First, during winter month of one can see the large number of migrant birds at the lake. Amber Palace and Fort Complex, situated just over 10 km away from Jaipur, on the Jaipur-Delhi highway, is Amber, which was the ancient capital of the Jaipur state. A bus leaves from Hawa Mahal every 30 minutes and well laid out road take the visitors out of the city, and very soon one witness Lux Green Hill. On the notices a lake and standing next to the majestic Amber Fort, which the several ruler of the state of Rajasthan recognized as a vantage military building. The exclusive start with the Dile Aram garden, which is laid out the traditional Mughal style. One of climbed above the fort from the road in 10 minutes. Go up by the jeep, which the laid of traditional Mughal style. Even the elephant pack. The Diwan-e-Aam Hall of Public Audience has lattice galleries and double row of common, each having a capital of the elephant on the top. To the right are step or lead of the Kali temple. The temple offered the wonderful sight of hung doors made of silver elevations and can be entered through the decorated gateway. The Jai Mandir has a gallery ceilings of mirror and Elegant inlaid panels in front of Jai Mandir is Sukh Niwas with a door made a sandalwood with ivory with the channel running through which once carried cool water. The Janana and women's apartment were designed by Manners and would easily facilitate the entry of the Maharaja and various chambers without any of the convices aware of any visitor. Timing 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Nargar Fort. It is 15 km from Jaipur behind of the hill of Jaigarh and is like a watchful sentinel guarding Savai Jai Singh beautiful capital. Much of original structure are runs from atop the hill. The fort offers the scenic view of city. Rajasthan Tourism has started a cafeteria where beer and snacks are available. Opening 10 p.m. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sargasuli Ishwarlal, a tower of the western side of Tirupaliya Bazaar, is the highest structure of the old Jaipur and was built by Ishwari Singh in 17th century. Is commandant of immortal victory. Ramnivas Bagh and Zoo. The provide the open space and greenery of citizens. There is a big garden with trees and greenhouses, a herbal and museum of several sport ground. It was built during the reigns of Savai Ram Singh II in 1869 as the famine relief project. Doll Museum, located near the police memorial toward the back side of SMS Hospital, is the Doll Museum. There are attractive dolls from various countries and is housed a compound of the School of the Deaf and Dumb. Timing 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Sisodia Rani Gardens. It is kilometers away from Jaipur on the road of Agra. Several landscape gardens were constructed by King of the country of 18th century with being one build of Savai Jai Singh and his Sisodia Queen. The Sisodia Rani ka Bagh constitutes multi-level garden or fountain, water sources and paint breweries. Opening 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Albert Hall. It is situated in beautiful Ramnivas Gardens. This is designed by ceramic structure of designed by Sir Sweetens Jacob. It was opened in 1887 as a public museum. It contains rare collection of decorative and arts object, painting, sculpture, Egypt, mummy and the well-known Mauritius golden carpet. Galta. The 8 kilometers away from Jaipur, the road of Mumbai, the memory of queues in Maharani Ki Chhatri complex near the Ramgarh road crossing to the west in narrow valley is the royal ceremony garden of the Saint of Jaipur's ruler, which explains Sawai Ishwar Singh, who was cremated outside the Janivas garden. Galta, the 10 kilometers from Jaipur, Galta is situated at Milis range of hill east of city on the top of hill overlook the Galta valleys of Sun Temple. The east of the temple is reserve of tank which the fed of spring the pure water falling from the Gomukh or outlet shape of mouth of cow. One of to the Galta by the Ghat ki Guni. It is range is hill crown with the fort of Amagad. Statue circle, the full length of marble statue of Sawai Jai Singh installed in the center of the circle in the newly developed scheme and tribute to the founder of Jaipur. Nahargarh Biological Park. Nahargarh Biological Park, part of Nahargarh Sanctuary, is the most of recent addition of Rajasthan Adventure Tourism, located of outskirts of the pink city of Jaipur on the Jaipur Delhi highway. Is within the Nagar Fort. The park display the most beautiful surrounding. It is stood along Arambij hills and cover to 72 square kilometer. Famous invast flora and fungi. The Great Palace educate people and conduct research on exciting flora and fauna. At Nahargarh Biology Park can be see over 285 species of birds, of which is the most popular in white knobbed tit, which can be found here. When you visit the park, make sure you also head of Ramsagar, which is the famous among bird watcher and make the great sport of catch different species birds. Music and James Jewelry. The newly built museums showcase the heritage and fancy story of James and Jewelry and stories on Jaipur. The city is known of the fine gems cutting, polish and jewelry craftsmanship, especially kundan, meena and stone jewelry. You start the short audio visual presentation about the museum and its history. The section of the museum showcase rough stone section, special stone, polish, synthetic stone, 100 plus gemstone, large rock, a stones, gemstone chart help you to know which stone will be beneficial for you. Books, calendar, publications, Navratna and its collection of Navgrah and thousand of variety of stones is unique jewelry made of these precious, semi-precious and artificial stone. Timing 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. आशा है कि आप जयपुर के बारे में सुनकर यात्रा के लिए उत्साहित होंगे और जयपुर पधारेंगे।